Welcome to the ultimate guide to an unforgettable 2-day adventure in Canberra, Australia. If you're ready to explore the heart of the nation, you've come to the right place. Now we're going to take you through breathtaking destinations, tantalizing food experiences, and must-see attractions that will make your trip truly remarkable. So buckle up, because this journey is about to begin. Let's kick things off with a brief introduction to Canberra, the capital city of Australia. Nestled between the stunning Tidbinbilla Ranges and the Australian Alps, Canberra is not just a political hub. It's a vibrant city filled with culture, history, and natural beauty. With its well-planned layout, lush parks, and beautiful lakes, Canberra is a city that invites exploration. Now, let's dive into day 1 of your adventure. Our first stop is the iconic Australian War Memorial. Located at the end of Anzac Parade, this site is not only a memorial, but also a museum that tells the stories of those who served our country. As you walk through the galleries, you'll be captivated by the exhibits, photographs, and personal stories that bring history to life. Don't miss the last post ceremony held every evening at 4:55 p.m. It's a moving tribute that you won't want to miss. Next, let's head over to the National Gallery of Australia, just a short drive away. Home to an impressive collection of Australian and international art, this gallery is a feast for the eyes. Stroll through the expansive galleries and admire works by renowned artists, including the stunning Aboriginal art collection. The architecture of the building itself is a masterpiece, so make sure to capture some footage of its striking design. After immersing yourself in art, it's time for a delicious lunch. Head to the trendy Braddon district, where you'll find a plethora of cafes and eateries. One standout spot is the Pork Barrel, known for its mouth-watering pulled pork sliders and craft beers. Enjoy the vibrant atmosphere and maybe even chat with some locals about their favorite spots in the city. With your energy replenished, our next destination is the stunning Lake Burley Griffin. This picturesque lake is the heart of Canberra and offers a myriad of activities. Rent a kayak or paddleboard for a fun afternoon on the water, or simply take a leisurely stroll along the lake's edge. The views of the city skyline against the backdrop of the lake are simply breathtaking, making it the perfect spot for some Instagram-worthy shots. As the sun begins to set, make your way to the National Museum of Australia. This architectural wonder is not only visually stunning, but also offers engaging exhibitions that explore Australia's history and culture. Spend some time wandering through the galleries, and be sure to check out the outdoor spaces that offer incredible views of the lake and the city. Now, let's talk about dinner. For a truly unique dining experience, head to the Boathouse. Located right on the shores of Lake Burley Griffin, this award-winning restaurant is known for its exquisite seasonal menu and stunning waterfront views. Indulge in fresh, locally sourced ingredients while soaking in the serene atmosphere. Don't forget to try their signature dessert. Trust me, it's a game changer. After a full day of exploration, it's time to unwind. For your overnight stay, consider booking a room at the Hotel Realm, a luxurious accommodation that combines comfort with modern design. Located in the heart of Canberra, it's the perfect base for your adventures. Enjoy a restful night's sleep, because day 2 is going to be just as exciting. Welcome to day 2 of your Canberra adventure. Start your day with a hearty breakfast at the Cupping Room, a popular spot known for its exceptional coffee and delicious brunch options. Try their famous avocado toast or the mouth-watering pancakes. You won't be disappointed. After breakfast, it's time to explore the Australian Parliament House. This architectural marvel is not only the seat of government, but also a symbol of democracy in Australia. Take a guided tour to learn about the political process, and don't forget to snap a photo on the rooftop terrace, where you'll be treated to panoramic views of the city and beyond. Next, let's head to the National Botanic Gardens. This lush oasis showcases Australia's unique flora and offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Wander through the various themed gardens, and be sure to visit the Rainforest Gully, where you'll find a stunning collection of tropical plants and the chance to spot some native wildlife. As lunchtime approaches, make your way to Lonsdale Street Roasters, a hidden gem known for its exceptional coffee and scrumptious light bites. Grab a seat on the outdoor patio and soak up the sun while enjoying a freshly brewed cup of coffee and a delicious pastry. After lunch, it's time for some outdoor adventure. Head to the nearby Mount Ainslie for a hike that rewards you with breathtaking views of Canberra. The trail is well marked and suitable for all fitness levels, so lace up your hiking boots and enjoy the fresh air. Once you reach the summit, take a moment to appreciate the stunning vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see. Now let's take a little detour to the National Portrait Gallery. This captivating gallery showcases portraits of influential Australians, from politicians to artists. The diverse collection is not only visually stunning, but also tells the stories of the people who have shaped the nation. Make sure to capture some footage of your favorite portraits. As the afternoon winds down, it's time to visit the Questacon, the National Science and Technology Center. This interactive science museum is a fantastic place for visitors of all ages. With hands-on exhibits and engaging demonstrations, you'll find yourself immersed in the wonders of science. Don't miss the earthquake simulator. It's an exhilarating experience that will leave you buzzing with excitement. As we approach the end of day 2, let's talk about dinner. For a truly memorable dining experience, head to Ottoman Cuisine, where you can indulge in delicious Turkish dishes. The ambiance is warm and inviting, and the flavors are nothing short of extraordinary. Be sure to try their mezze platter and the lamb shank. It's a culinary journey you won't forget. Now here's a hint to keep you curious. The last destination of your Canberra adventure is something truly spectacular, and you'll want to stick around to find out what it is. As the day comes to a close, consider booking a night at the Canberra Hotel, a cozy and affordable option that's perfect for travelers. With comfortable rooms and a convenient location, it's a great place to rest after your action-packed adventure. Now, before we reveal that mind-blowing final destination, let's recap your incredible 2-day journey through Canberra. From the Australian War Memorial to the National Gallery of Australia, and from the stunning Lake Burley Griffin to the National Botanic Gardens, you've experienced the best this city has to offer. You've indulged in delicious food, explored rich history, and soaked in the natural beauty of the region. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The final destination that will blow your mind is the Australian Institute of Sport. This world-class facility is where Australia's elite athletes train and prepare for international competitions. Take a guided tour to learn about the training regimes and even catch a glimpse of athletes in action. It's an inspiring experience that will leave you in awe of the dedication and talent of Australia's sports stars. As we wrap up this ultimate 2-day Canberra adventure, we hope you're feeling inspired to explore this incredible city. Don't forget to check out the links below for popular fun activities, trips, and tours in Canberra. And be sure to subscribe to Impeccable Planet for more travel content. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we can't wait to see you on your next adventure.